Welcome to this tutorial of Farm24. Here we explain how to install an Agrobox in a tractor. When we open the box, we see the following components. Of course, the Agrobox, which we will install in the tractor. The power cable for the Agrobox. Some optional cables like Agrobox, CAN bus and a 7-pins connector. Several antennas, a Wi-Fi and a Bluetooth. The GPS antenna and a mobile network antenna. And lastly, the B-box for the machine recognition. For the installation we will need a cordless power drill, a 4mm drill bit, an 8mm socket wrench, an 8mm standard wrench, tie wraps, a permanent marker, a multimeter and some brake cleaner, cloth or other cleaning materials. Before we install the Agrobox in the tractor, we're going to place the GPS antenna on the roof. Place the GPS on the axis right between the wheels. Make a clean spot beforehand and use the included Velcro in case of a plastic roof. Also mind the antenna is not placed upside down and horizontally. Next, we start with connecting all the antennas to the Agrobox. The next step is to install the Agrobox in the tractor. Keep in mind that you find a place where the Agrobox is not in the way. There should be enough space that, for example, the handbrake stays free and the tractor filters can still be accessed. The Agrobox can be attached with the included screws. Point the antennas up as much as possible and connect the power and GPS cables. The power cable goes in the 3-pin connector of the tractor. Always check beforehand if there is a 12 to 24 voltage on the right pin when the ignition is on. If the Agrobox is connected right, the LED starts blinking. Put away the cables carefully so they cannot get damaged. When everything is in place, take a picture of the Agrobox for future reference. The picture can be uploaded in Farm24 afterwards. On the Agrobox you can find a number which corresponds with the tractor in which you installed it. This number you will also need when you add the device in Farm24. So far for the installation of the Agrobox. Next, we want to connect the machine to the B-box. Find a place on the machine that is close to the Agrobox, but is also protected against heavy weather, dirt and working activities. The B-box also has a number. You will also need this to add the machine in Farm24. Go to farm24.io and click on My Farm to log in. If you're a first-time user, watch our guideline for step-by-step instructions on how to set up your account. In Farm24, add your tractor by clicking on Machines in My Farm. Click on Edit and scroll down to Assign Devices. The Agrobox should already be in the list. Click on the box with the corresponding serial number. The Agrobox and tractor are now connected. Use the same procedure to add a B-box to your machine. Before you start to work on the field, first check if the connection is okay. Take a test drive to calibrate the GPS and then check Farm24 and you can see the blue lights flashing. If so, the connection is successful. Then you can finally start your hands-free and fully automatic registration.